Welcome to this charming 2 beds, 2 baths plus a den that can be used as a 3rd bedroom corner villa, located in the highly desirable Tiburon community of Boca Raton. This spacious home features an open floor plan with tile and laminate flooring throughout the unit. The bright, updated kitchen offers quartz countertops, shaker-style cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, seamlessly flowing into the comfortable living and dining areas, perfect for everyday living or entertaining guests. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle from the large screened-in patio, overlooking the garden and a beautiful mango tree, creating the perfect setting for relaxing or outdoor dining. Additional highlights include 2 private parking spaces, an in-unit washer and dryer, and accordion hurricane shutters for added peace of mind. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, major highways, and Boca Raton.